Good morning, student. This video lecture is for class 10th. Today we are going to study our first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation. So before going to the chapter, we must know some basic points. These are, that is, what are chemical reaction, how many type of chemical reactions are there, how we can balance a chemical reaction, what is a chemical equation. So coming to these points, in the very first session, we are going to study about chemical reaction. So students, chemical reaction is nothing but it simply involves the breaking and making of bond. In chemical reaction, new compound having different properties are formed. In the sequence, we must know that how many type of chemical reactions are there. There are many type of chemical reaction, but in this chapter or in this class, we have to study some basic reactions. Some among them are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and redox reaction. So what is combination reaction? To study combination reaction in detail, firstly we must know what is the definition of a combination reaction. From its name it is clear that those chemical reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single product. Students, just pay attention on this word, that is single product. So combination reaction are those chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single product. Is called a combination reaction. We can see the example likewise here in the very first. H2 react with O2 and it gives H2O. Another example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Another example, ammonia plus HCl gives ammonium chloride. So friends, what you see in this reactions, here two reactant molecules are reacting together. What is happening here is two reactant molecules are reacting together to give a single product. Any such type of reaction where two reacting molecule or more than two reacting molecule react together and give a single product is called as combination reaction. The second reaction is decomposition reaction. So students, decomposition reaction are those reactions in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more simpler product. Here you can see a single product, that is calcium carbonate. When we give heat, what happens? It breaks down into two simpler product, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. You can see the definition again, that is those reactions in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more simpler product. So any such reactions are called as decomposition reaction. You can see some more examples likewise here. 2KClO3 breakdowns into KCl and O2. Some more example, FeSO4 breaks down into three simpler product, that is ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide.